My name's Barry Graham. I'm a field sales engineer for robotic solutions working for Omron Electronics in the United Kingdom. The initial collaboration between the Rico Automation was around designing a collaborative palletising system known as the RB series, which has now been in operation for the last 2-3 years. The partnership was based around the development of that system with collaborative technologies, but also using Omron's SysMap platform as the key part of the user configuration side of the system. And that's now moved on to upstream and looking at case packing solutions, offering the same sort of flexibility in use and configuration and the same small footprint and design.
My name is Gareth Pugh. I'm technical sales for Rico Automation. So back in early 2020, we developed the CP600 case packer, which was used for packaging drums into outer cardboard boxes. Most recently, we've developed the CP600, which is a single arm version of the case packer for slower applications when it comes to packaging. However, because we are picking up food, we are able to process 200 or more products per minute. We're well aware that space, especially in food factories, is at an absolute premium, whereas our system then offers a very, very compact system that won't impact changes onto the current production line. It can be built into existing production lines. We would normally look at around a day for an install for a system such as this, with then training to follow.
The CP series of case packers were designed using collaborative robot technologies as opposed to traditional forms of automation such as Delta robots or Scar robots. And the main instance for this was really around the actual range of products and depth of products that the system can handle, from high payload of multiple products down to, in this instance, handling multiple biscuits in one layer at a time.
Using the blueprint that we have previously used for the RB series palletizer, we wanted to take that and adapt it to the CP600 and CP1200 and allow that flexibility for customers to change over tooling and products on the fly very, very quickly. This can be done in as little as 30 seconds. And again, what we've done is allowed the end user to have that flexibility in the future. If a new product comes onto the scene, they have the ability to then go and program that into the system themselves.
A lot of the intelligence around the usability of the system is provided by the SysMap platform. And this is one of the key areas of the development in the early stages with Rico. Omron actually provided the background and the development platform for the SysMap, where Rico had the greater experience and expertise in using collaborative technologies. So bringing the two together, we're able to actually make the aim of what we started out to achieve, which was actually a fully flexible and user-friendly solution, incorporating both elements from the SysMap platform and the collaborative robot technology.
Working with Omron, we're able to offer our customers the full package, the full solution from hardware to software. In the future, we'll continue to develop on this relationship, further our product offering and solution offering.
The business has thrived on the development between the two companies and has gone from strength to strength. We've got some significant plans for development in the future, so exciting times ahead.